Assalamu alaikum. This is the second video of Raspberry Pi, and in previous video we have set up our first operating system in Raspberry Pi, and we also have seen the steps followed. So in today's video we will see how to change the password of Raspberry Pi, how to update the Raspberry Pi operating system, and installation of Node-RED. So let's get started. First of all, you must have to go to the terminal, and on the terminal you must have to check the updates of Raspberry Pi. So write sudo apt-get update. What it does, it will search the updates of Raspberry Pi available and missing operating system, and then it will let us upgrade the files. So now move to the next step and write sudo apt-get upgrade and press enter. Now it will download and will try to install all the upgrade. So as you see here, I have already updated my my Raspberry Pi operating system. That's why it is showing me 0 upgrade, 0 newly installed, and 0 to remove, and 0 to upgrade. When you will upgrade first time your operating system, then it will search all the upgrades and from you to do you want to upgrade or not. And if you want to upgrade the system, then it will ask press Y, and if you don't want to upgrade the system, then it will ask press N. So as we are going to upgrade the system, so you will press Y. So in this way you can upgrade the system. So now you will see how to change the password. Go to the preferences and go to the Raspberry Pi configuration, and in the configuration window you will find system window, and on the system window the first option is change password. So from here you can change the password. I am changing my password. Repeat the same password and press OK. The password has changed successfully. So in this way you can change the password easily. Now we will install the Node-RED on our Raspberry Pi. For this you must have to have this this link, which I have taken from Node-RED website. So go to the terminal and paste the link here and press enter. It will try to install the Node-RED. As you can see here, press Y. Yes, I want to install it. Would you like to install the Pi specification? Yes. And now as you can see here, it is telling us that 20 to 30 minutes on slower Pi version. Please wait. Now some setups are completed. As you can see here, would you like to customize the setting? I would like to customize. Press Y. Here it is, setting file. Press enter. Do you want to set up user security? Yes, I want to. Username will be Pi. The password, whatever you want to put. It is asking me the user permission, as either I want to give the full access or I want to only read. I want to give the full access. Add another user. Yes, I want to add another user, so press yes. I will write it Pi1. Okay. Now in this username I am only give the access of read only. Add another user. I don't want to add another user. Yes, I want to enable the projects feature. So it is asking me to change the project feature. What project flow do you want to use? I am selecting auto, default, dark, Dracula, midnight. I want to go to the dark theme. Press OK. Select the text editor component to use the node-RED in the I am going to choose default. Yes. Setting file written to this directory. To use the dark editor theme, remember to install node-RED contrib theme. After installing this node-RED palette, it will allow me to use the dark theme. So that's it. This is for today's video. In next video we will see how to run node-RED and how to install palettes on node-RED and different workflow in the node-RED, and we will further see how to connect PLCs, how to connect IOs, how to connect RS485 communication with the node-RED in our upcoming videos. Thank you.